055 QRP.
Yes, 055 QRP. Very good morning, Mike. How are you?
Okay, Theo, very good morning. 14 Echo Delta 055, you are 10 over 9. 10 over 9, it's why I am using only 5 watts at this moment. Only 5 watts from my transceiver at this moment, Theo. Thanks again for nice and very amazing contact with a pocket station. It was very, very incredible on my side, and I really appreciate this QSO. Back to you, Theo. 18 Sugar Delta 105. Here is 14 Echo Delta 055.
Yes, Mike. Thank you very much, my dear friend. Thank you very much for the call. It's a 5x5, 5x7. 5x5, 5x7, your signal report. Thank you very much for the nice video. Thank you very much for the nice video. I am check yesterday's from a YouTube channel. Thank you very much for the nice video, Mike. QSL?
Yes, QSL. I ask to my friends from Canada, Mr. Andre, to make an over movie with our 4 videos, okay? And I like the results. We can see sometimes the report in France, sometimes the report in Greece in the same movie. So it's really nice gift. And the condition in Greece was very, very good to make a DX with Europe station. So I listen your voice every day. Hi. So really, it's a nice experience and a very good result with this transceiver, with this pocket transceiver from Albrecht. Really, it makes a good job, and also we can see the beautiful landscape that you have from Athens. Okay, very, very beautiful landscape. So I like also the movie that you make on your side. Okay, from Jim and you. It was very, very beautiful also, and you have a very beautiful landscape from Athens. So back to you, Theo. 18 Sugar Delta 105. Here is 14 Echo Delta 55.
QSL Mike, thank you very much for the compliment. Yes, it's a very, very nice job from Mr. Andre from Canada. Mike, please send to Mr. Andres a B73 for me. Happy Christmas for the family, my dear friend Mike. Please send 0 to Mr. Andre. I am thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Andre. It's a very, very nice video. Very, very nice job, QSL.
Yes, okay, I understand, Theo. Don't worry, and I can send him a message or contact him maybe this afternoon, because also the propagation from my side, it's very, very good with Mr. Andre 9 Alpha Lima 001. I listen his station every afternoon, okay? So thanks again, Theo, for all, and don't worry, I give you, I send your wishes to Mr. Andre, it's in 100%, and also from Mr. Jim. So I wish you to have a Merry Christmas, and happy end of year 2014, and all the best for 2015, but I think that I could make another contact with you very, very soon. Enjoy the DX, my dear friend, and really the best wishes for you, your family, and all your friends. 18 Sugar Delta 105. Here is 14 Echo Delta 055. Now with a normal power, 100 watts on output. 73 Theo, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Okay, my dear friend Mike. Thank you very much for the nice contact. Have a nice day to you. B73, happy Christmas for you, for your family. All the best, Mike. 73. 14 Echo Delta 055 QRP. This is 18 Sugar Delta 105 Theo. Bye for now. Au revoir, 73.
Bye Theo, au revoir, merci, à bientôt.
Ok, au revoir, bye QRZ.